Crude oil has started the day and the week with a little swing. It has got its support and resistances intact. Yet, most importantly, it is yet to break beyond 80, which is going to be a confirmation for the further rise. Can we expect oil to continue with this rise, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy? In order to profit trading crude oil today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment, which is a great mode. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Firstly, on the hourly charts, you can see oil is staying in this bullish channel. See, the highs are beautifully connected. Look at the preceding two candles. It has formed a double top sort of formation. It is very important for oil to break beyond 80 now. That is the only level beyond which now we can confirm further rise. See, it has come to take the support from the 20 period. That is also a very good indication that the lows are done, and possibly we can expect oil to rise from here, where 80.4 and 81 are the next target levels. So once you see oil staying beyond $80 level, certainly that is the point at which you can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic has retraced a bit, now trading comfortable. The MACD is almost flat on the hourly charts, and the RSI is also staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upward. See the on the upside, the trend line is beautifully respected here. Thus, it is very important for oil to now break beyond 80 in order to confirm further rise. And see, this breakout might be a little bit stronger, where we can look forward to 80.4, 81 in a quick succession, and beyond that a further rise can be expected. Moving averages crossing over here after a while is certainly also a good indicator. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is still bullish, but see, MACD has seen a double bottom and now trying to rise, so still there is further scope for it to rise. RSI is comfortable here. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour charts, now see, this is the bearish trend. It is traded and consolidated with bearishness here, then a retracement, then lower lows, and again now trying to rise. Now this is a zone it has to come out from, and this definitely is a box which is giving it a good resistance for it to break past by. And possibly today might be the day when it can try to break past beyond 80, where it can try to rise further. Moving averages are crossing over here, again signs of bullishness. Also look at on the downside how beautifully these moving averages have provided it as support. Thus selling entry towards 79.2 can be taken, but then 78.8, 78.6 levels are going to be a very good support. Below 78.6 is where you can say now the bears will take over. The only worry point which I can see here on the 3 hour charts is the double top it is formed. Thus it is again important for oil to break below beyond 80 in order to confirm the rise here. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is extremely divergent and bullish, looking upwards here, and RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation: rise, retracement, rise, and it is trying to retrace, but also it is taking the support here. On the upside, see, one must notice how beautifully the trend line here is getting respected. This also makes $80 as a greater resistance. Now look at the 4 hour charts here. See, preceding couple of candles, swing candle here, it has formed a base, first bullish, or you can say a greener closer here. Now it the current candle, if it rises, and then the subsequent candle are going to play important role. I expect it to rise from here. Let's see if it does. Looking at the swing in the preceding candle, it has achieved the 20 period here on the hourly charts and now trying to bounce back. So yes, moving averages are crossing over here, again signs of bullishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, and RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now, before we look into daily charts and I share the strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting soon. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. In this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you identify the profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals also you can benefit. My contact details, email, and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can be part of it. Again, for your queries, you can write an email or Telegram me. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened on the daily charts? One must notice. See, look at this zone here. None of the candles have closed below 77.8, And look at the zone here, it has to break beyond 80. That is going to be a journey towards upside. Begin the journey towards upside. Now see, divide this into two, form a symmetry, wait for it to break. Now what can you see? Double bottom and then the rise. So yes, there is a possibility that it could try to reverse or retrace from here. Also, one must notice that, see, this was the rise, this is the retracement. And now if it breaks this channel on the upside, now if oil is seen trading beyond, in fact, 82 and then 84, 85, if these two levels are taken, then we can say oil is now going to give a massive rally ahead. Right now I can see it is getting a good resistance here at 80. Stochastic rising MACD. Look at MACD, why it could rise. Look at the MACD, it has crossed over at the bottom, trying to diverge. It has just crossed over, and thus I expect it to continue with the rise from here, and RSI is rising. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy crude oil today at $80 levels. If you see it at 80, you can buy here. Expect it to move towards 80.4, and then 81 as the first target levels. Beyond 81 is where we can look forward to the next bull run and the next rise, and by tomorrow it should try to move towards 82.4 levels as the next target. Hopefully it could try to move bullish from here. On the downside, where you should sell, because these are markets, you have to keep your eyes and ears open, you have to see both sides of it. Thus, I will recommend a sell entry at 79.4, 79.3 zone. If you see crude oil trading below 79.4, 79.3, you can expect it to move towards 79, 78.8. 78.8, 79 is the first support zone, very strong support. And then 78.4, 78.6. So as long as 78.4 is respected, today we should not be trading bearish, and for the week it is 77.8. These three levels are going to play a major role in deciding the future for crude oil. A drop below 77.8 in this week should invite more bears. I do not see that happening. Let's see if it continues the rise from here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the next update before the US session. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.